Namaste and warm welcome to everyone. Today on Women's Day, special welcome to all distinguished guests from all over the world. This is the first time we are celebrating Women's Day in our chapter and also Girls Festival celebrated in Japan on 3rd March to pray for health and happiness of young girls. In the month of March, we also celebrate Holi, Festival of Colors, very popular in India. And also it is springtime and lovely flowers bloom everywhere. Holi celebrates the arrival of spring and end of winter, blossoming of love, play and laugh, forget and forgive, and repair broken relationships. Normally people throw color, gulal, and water on each other. But these days people have started playing with Holi with flowers. We will play Holi virtually today with flowers and foliage in Japanese style with ikebana arrangements.
Mhm.
Two themes were given to the members. First was spring or festival of colors, and second was using Mitsumasa sticks or any other painted material representing Holi. Now we have put all the arrangements together in the same video, but everyone will know the theme looking at them. Separate video is made for our guest masters, all those who had given demonstrations to our chapter in past. Guest masters from different parts of the world have become part of our joint family. We have Ilse Bunen, Atsuko Barsama, Ektrina Suez from Belgium, Europe. Ektrina is very popular on social media. Miho Okawara from Japan, Bernard Tay from Singapore, Andy of Ikelobo School from Indonesia, Lily Jang of Icho School from China, Emily Karanikolopoulos from Melbourne, Australia, Detin Shirley and Detin Kidzing from Zohar Baru, and Alka Bhargav of Icho School from USA. Now from India, we have Neena Verma, Ritika Sarna, Sabina Garog, Neera Makhija, Shama Balbir, and Amrita Mankad, all from Delhi chapter. Rekha Reddy, Snelata, Sharda Reddy, Sharmila Agarwal, all from Hyderabad chapter have sung beautiful spring and Holi arrangements. Our members have also done beautiful Holi arrangements. Today, Mrs. Miho Okawara, President of Ikebana International, Japan chapter, will explain about the Girls Festival. Mrs. Miho Okawara has not given any demonstrations to us in the past, but our chapter has so many virtual meetings and she has become part of our joint family. Today, let's all celebrate Women's Day by showing love for ourselves. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Let's all play virtual Holi and celebrate the Festival of Colors along with Women's Day and Girls Festival. Over to you, Mrs. Miho Okawara. Please explain to us about Girls Festival.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Miho Kawara, International President of Ikebana International, and thank you very much for inviting me to this wonderful occasion. So my name is Miho Kawara, I'm International President of Ikebana International, and thank you very much for inviting me to this wonderful occasions. And today, this is from my room, an authentic Japanese room with a Japanese alcohol here, a tokonoma, we call it, and a Japanese with a flooring Japanese mattress called tatami or something. And I'm not sure you can see or not, but Japanese sliding doors called shoji or something. And let me have some few minutes to explain about the Hinamatsuri to be held on 3rd March. Most Japanese family with daughters display this kind of set of dolls on 3rd March to wish for their daughters' happiness, prosperity, and health in the future. Actually, I have two daughters aged 16 and 19. And as you know, it's so time consuming to set up. It takes, yeah, every time my husband helped me to do this, but it takes us, two of us, a whole day to finish this kind of set of dolls. So actually last year, I didn't do this. I was too busy to do, be a president, yeah, the job for the Ikebana International President. Last year, I didn't do this. I was a lazy mom. But, you know, this year, under these challenging situations, and especially my elder one, who is studying in the university in the UK, what I can do as mom is to just pray for my daughter's safety then in the UK. So this year I did like this. And this is many years ago. This depicts the imperial wedding ceremony and the emperor and the empress and 3 court ladies and 5 court kind of musicians, and also minister of right and left, and some servants. And this is a wedding ceremony of the royal or imperial family more than 1,000 years ago. And on March, on 3rd March, we usually display this kind of set of dolls. And also, as for dishes, we eat some sushi, some specific kind of sushi, and vinegared rice is spread in a dish. And some very different colored ingredients like salmon roll, shredded egg omelets, or green colored veggie or something, we placed on the top of the vinegar rice. So colorful sushi, and we really enjoy eating together. So, and also usually on 3rd March, we display, we arrange flowers, peach trees, and the yellow colored of the mustard flowers. But today, already 8th March, so I couldn't, or I can't buy any kind of peach trees or peach blossoms. So this is quite different. This is just an Ikebana. It's nothing to do with Dolls Festival in March, 3rd March. That's a very brief introduction about the Dolls festivals in Japan held on 3rd March. And do you have any questions? Please feel free to ask me, or that's it. Is it okay?
It's okay. It's okay. Can we have the video now? the members video, please? I hope the members enjoyed this video.
Of course. Very nice. Superb.
रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे और खीने मारी पिचकारी तोरी भीगी अंगिया ओ रंग रसिया हो रंग बरसे अरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे थारी में क्यों ना परोसा सोने की
I hope you all enjoyed the video of the guest masters and also of the members. Members, I want to
Absolutely.
thank Sanjana Karkhanis, our committee member Rajeshri Karkhani's daughter, for making the video for us. Our next program is on 8th April, demonstration by Mishoriyu School by Farida Sutarko and President of Ikebana International Jakarta chapter and Ratna Murasalim from Indonesia. Now, do we have any guest masters present? They would like to say a few words. I think I saw Andy on this thing. Hello to everyone. Okay, I think Harsha, you give vote of thanks now.
On behalf of Ikebana International Mumbai chapter, I thank everyone for their presence here today. I especially thank Miho Okawara for explaining to us the Hina Matsuri, the doll festival celebrating the girl child in Japan. Japan, it is the only country which celebrates Hina Matsuri. The world over, we all celebrate Women's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Friendship Day, Meatless Day, etc., etc. But Japan, it is so commendable that the only country that celebrates and empowers women, the girl child, and this is celebrated on the 3rd of March. It is celebrated to pray for the little girls, for their health, happiness, prosperity, and for their future, as Miho Okawara rightly explained to all of us. So it is very, very commendable, and I thank Miho-ji for explaining, Miho-san for explaining all this to us. So thank you once again to everyone, especially all the guest masters from Delhi, from Hyderabad, all over the world, Singapore and Belgium. Mention all of them. Thank you once again.
I want to congratulate Harsha Hinduja for winning the Commendation Award from the Japanese Consulate for promoting Ikebana.
Thank you.
Harsha.
Thank you so much. Thank you.